So you're going on your very first cruise? Get excited. It's going to be one of the best vacations you'll ever take. But before you sail away, we've got 10 pro tips that will help you avoid rookie mistakes, save money, and have more fun at sea. These are based on our real family cruising experiences, things we've learned over the years that make cruising smoother, easier, and way more enjoyable. Let's dive right in. Pro tip number one, arrive a day early. Never fly in the morning your cruise departs. Delays and lost luggage happen, and ships, they don't wait. We always arrive at least a day early, check into a hotel near the port, get a good night's sleep, and wake up rested and ready for adventure. Starting stress free makes the whole trip better. Pro tip number two, pack a smart carry on. Always pack a carry on with essentials, swimsuits, medication, documents, and valuables. On one cruise, our checked bags got sent to the wrong room, and we didn't see them for 12 hours. But because we had carry ons, we still swam, explored, and relaxed without missing a beat. That one bag can save your first day. Pro tip number three, download and use the cruise app. We use the Cruise Line app constantly. It has a ship map with directions, lets you favorite shows, trivia, or events, and even sends you reminders so you're never late. We check it every morning at breakfast to plan our day. Trust us, it's like having a personal cruise guide in your pocket. Pro tip number four, don't overpack. Cabins are small, and most people bring way too much. Early on, we learned half our clothes never got worn. Now we keep it simple, casual outfits, swimsuits, and dinner clothes. A family hack we love is using vacuum seal packing bags. They suck out all that excess air, make clothes way more compact, and keep everything organized. Pro tip number five, bring the right charging gear. Outlets are scarce in cabins, so bring a non-surge protected power strip or USB hub. We also keep charging cords short so they don't become a tangled mess. And one of our lifesavers is what we call the brick, a big portable battery that can charge multiple devices at once. It's perfect for excursions or hanging out on the sun deck when everyone's phones are already running low. Pro tip number six, know what not to pack. Cruise lines are strict about banned items. Of course, drugs, weapons, and all forms of marijuana are prohibited, even if they're legal where you live. But there are also some surprising ones: irons, steamers, candles, incense, drones, hoverboards, even extension cords and coffee makers. Anything confiscated may not be returned until the end, if at all. Always check your cruise line's official prohibited list before you pack. Pro tip number seven, use lanyards for cruise cards. Your cruise card is your room key, ID, and wallet. On our very first cruise, our son lost his card, and we had to wait in line at customer service to get it reprinted just so he could get into the kids club. Since then, we have always used lanyards. It keeps everything safe and handy. Pro tip number eight, airplane mode is your best friend. The fastest way to ruin your trip? Forgetting airplane mode. Maritime cell towers can charge $2 to $5 a minute. We always double check that every device is in airplane mode. Once you're off the ship, test your Wi-Fi. In most ports, it works just fine. The many ports even have free Wi-Fi spots near the terminal. Perfect for checking messages or uploading a quick photo without buying the ship's package. Pro tip number nine, explore the ship on day one. Embarkation day is the best time to explore. Walk the decks, check out the kids' clubs, find quiet spaces, and yes, scope out the ice cream machine. We always make a tradition of grabbing that first ice cream cone and our first drink of the cruise while exploring. It's our little way of saying vacation's officially starting now. If you're enjoying these tips, hit that like button, drop us a comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe, ring that notification bell so you can keep track of all of our travel adventures. Come wander with us. Pro tip number 10, get off the ship at every port. Excursions fill fast, so book early if you know what you want. But here's the real tip. Even if you don't book an excursion, at least get off the ship and explore the port. Some of our most amazing memories have come from wandering local shops, trying street food, or just soaking up the culture and scenery. That's when you really feel the adventure of cruising. Plus, this is when we capture tons of vlog footage. The ports are full of sights and experiences you'll never forget. And there you have it, 10 pro tips every first time cruiser needs to know. From arriving a day early to exploring every port. We're the Wandering Westbays, a family of six, sharing our adventures at sea and beyond. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which tip helped you the most? What are you most excited for your first cruise? Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and come wander with us.